Welcome! Let's take a few minutes to walk through the registration and access request process. 2 simple steps. You create your Mycomscope account, and then you're going to request access to CommScope University. To get the process started, let's go to the CommScope homepage, www.commscope.com. From here, you'll notice a login icon in the upper section of the window. Click on it. Here we see the page where we will start the registration process for access to Mycomscope. Now before we move forward, I want to point out that if you already have a Mycomscope account, you can enter your username and password now and go directly to your home page. Here's what it looks like. And if you already have the CU tile, as shown here, just click on it and gain access to CommScope University. If you do not have the tile, you'll have to request access, which will be discussed later in this presentation. So, for those who do not have an account, the next step is to click on the Register button. This is the new user registration page. You'll enter in your email address and confirm it. Follow that up with your first name, last name, your company, job title after that, and then we'll get into the address information. Street, city, state, zip code, all the usual information. Follow that up with the country and preferred language, and then your phone number. Then you're going to set your password and confirm it. Click Continue, and we're on to the next step. Next, we get into identity verification. A security code will be emailed to the account that you set up in the system. So here we have an example of that email, and there's our code. So what you could do is copy and paste it, or write it down so you can type it in. So here we are, entering in that code, and then you need to check it. Oh, forgot, it's case sensitive. Got to make sure that's set up right. That's why we recommend just copying and pasting it in. And then we continue on. Here's our privacy statement. Need to agree to that, and then click Continue. So the system's going to process our request, and when it's completed, we'll be returned to the login page. And this is where you're going to receive another email. This is our Welcome to Mycomscope email. And it highlights that you need to request access to specific tools and resources, such as CommScope University. So here at the login page, you're going to enter your email and your password, then click Sign In. This will take you to your Mycomscope page, where you're going to click on Request Access. This will take you to the application dashboard. You'll see a number of available applications. Let's click on CommScope University. We see it moves it over to the left under My Current Applications. Submit Changes is what you'll click next. This is the one we're going to add in, so we confirm our request. And there's the confirmation ID. We will receive an email with your request for CommScope University access, and we'll approve it as soon as we can. During normal business hours, the request will be approved within a day. Once we do approve your request, you'll receive an email stating that it has been approved. So while you're waiting on the email to show up, you could go back to the dashboard and take a look at other available applications, perhaps request a couple, or go to the home page and check out some of our other products and solutions. So here's an example of the email that you will receive confirming that you have access to CommScope University. So the next thing you're going to need to do is log out of Mycomscope. Then we're going to go ahead and log back in, and this is part of the process to make sure that we get that CommScope University tile present in our dashboard. So let's take a look, see if we got it. And we scroll down, and there it is, CommScope University. So you click on it to log into CommScope U, and here we are. Now that you're in, you might want to take a tour of CommScope University, and we have it for you. Just click on Take a Tour of CommScope University and it'll walk you through all of the main features. If you need additional information, just let us know. You can email us here